A whooping cough outbreak at a Bay Area high school has parents concerned tonight. The Marin County Health Department says there are more than 100 reported cases, 65 of them at Tamalpais High School. As NBC Bay Area's Jodi Hernandez reports, health officials are urging folks to take some precautions.
She recorded herself, or a video of herself breathing, and it sounded like, I don't know how you could explain it, but pretty crackly, popping noises. So it was pretty rough for her.
17-year-old Elias Sigurdsson describes what her friend at Tamalpais High School recently went through after contracting a case of whooping cough. The Marin County Health Department says 65 kids at the high school have come down with the highly contagious respiratory infection, also known as pertussis, since December.
It starts off with very nonspecific symptoms like a runny nose, perhaps even a sore throat, maybe some fatigue. A couple days, maybe even up to a week later, a cough will start.
The health department has issued an advisory urging folks to make sure they're up to date on their vaccinations and to monitor themselves for symptoms. While teenagers and adults usually experience mild cases, the infection can be deadly in babies.
In the infants, it's a very bad cough. It can also cause an infant to stop breathing in cyanosis as well. Infants typically end up in the hospital when they become infected, so it can be very dangerous.
The school district says they're working closely with Marin County Public Health. While they aren't requiring masks, they say they've directed students and staff to stay home if they're sick. Health officials say anyone with whooping cough must remain isolated for at least 5 days while being treated with antibiotics.
Definitely, I'm not going to be sharing my water bottle or anything like that if people are thinking that they're sick.
Elias says she's taking precautions. She says her friend has returned to school but was out for several weeks.
She does actually still sound a bit hoarse, but she's all better. She's not contagious anymore.
Health officials say while there have been 113 cases across the county, so far there have been no cases in infants and no one has been hospitalized. In Marin County, Jodi Hernandez, NBC Bay Area News.